LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professionals. Let's explore how to find your saved posts quickly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Ensure you're on the home page for easy navigation. Next, click on the Me icon at the top of the home page. This is where your personalized settings are located. From the drop-down menu, select Saved Posts. This will direct you to all the articles and updates you've saved. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your saved content. Scroll through to identify what you want to revisit. Select any post to view it in detail. This helps you stay informed and connected with relevant updates in your network. Remember, regularly checking your saved posts keeps you updated on your industry and interests. Engage with the content by liking or commenting directly on the posts, fostering connections. Using saved posts can enhance your professional knowledge and trigger insightful discussions. By using this feature, you're not just saving posts, you're investing in your career growth. Don't hesitate to explore different topics and make the most out of LinkedIn's resources. Now you're ready. Start finding and utilizing your saved posts on LinkedIn today.